Comparison has always played its role in all markets. The Tesla phone Model Pi will have to compete with quite a number of phone brands in the market. But everyone believes the brand that it will have to compete with the most is Apple. This is due to the similar amazing features and enormous fan base that both brands already have. Stick around to the end of this video to know all about the Tesla phone Model Pi versus Apple iPhones. The Tesla Model Pi phone has everything it takes and more to take over in the market. But it might not be an easy task, as Apple iPhones have been there for people regarding technology upgrades for smartphones. Elon Musk is record-breaking in all of his innovations. Tesla sells most of the electric vehicles today, while SpaceX launches satellites into orbit at an unbelievable speed. So we can say he might even do better in the smartphone category regardless of the competition. The Tesla company has quite a number of people that would vouch for their products regardless of the category, due to their amazing electric car creation and its features. Apple is a well-known brand, and the competition between Apple and Tesla is not a recent one. Apple has been working on an electric car and will soon be released, and we all know this is in the major field of Tesla. The differences between the Tesla Model Pi and Apple iPhones. Apple is known for not making its iPhones. The company only designs and tests them in the United States. They hire production companies to complete the job. Therefore, it has partners all over the world who manufacture its components, including displays, chips, camera lenses, and other features. Germany-based Bosch Sensotech manufactures the accelerometer, and the gyroscope is manufactured by Steam Microelectronics based in Switzerland. On the other hand, Tesla has a tradition of building and assembling its products without help from another country or company. So, it is safe to say they will win over Apple's iPhone in that regard. How about we compare the two phones to see which is the best? Let's get started. Connection to the satellite. One of the rumors of the latest iPhone before it's launched is that it would come with satellite connectivity, but it was nowhere to be found in the phone for reasons unknown until now. However, according to reports, the Pi model will be able to connect to Tesla's Starlink satellite service for a high-speed internet connection, an internet service that can be accessed in any area in the world. The Pi model will come with full integration to Tesla vehicles and others to come out. The screen. The iPhone is popular for its screen with the slate border on the front. In fact, Apple made famous the design of the black border where the front camera and other sensors are located. However, while other manufacturers have tried different designs such as an in-display camera, Apple has only reduced the border size. However, the Tesla Model Pi will have no base plates, which makes the screen continuous and catchy. The news is that Tesla has put the camera underneath the screen and is not visible until you need it. The Tesla Model Pi has an impressive logo on the back, just like the iPhone. But the phone can change color based on sunlight. This is due to the photochromic coating on the phone. The processor. Although the improvements made in Apple iPhones may not have been totally different compared to previous models, the latest iPhone has the A15 Bionic chip. This has sparked a lot of comments, and many Apple buyers have said that they have felt improvements compared to previous models. On the other hand, Tesla has not released details about its processor. The phones can be used as a cryptocurrency mine. This way, Mars Coin, the official currency of Mars, can be used to trade and earn a living. You can pay for anything with cryptocurrency without using your wallet with the Pi phone. Tesla's Pi model will use Neuralink technologies. The Neuralink will be able to read signals from the human brain by implanting chips in the brain itself. According to the Tesla CEO, this technology will be able to correct some health problems and potentially help people with language problems and mental issues. We can say the Tesla Model Pi will come with a powerful processor to function properly with these features. The camera feature. The iPhone takes incredible photos, including wide-angle photos and even portrait mode photos, but the Pi can do even more. For example, you can shoot phone shots directly into the sky at night and take high-resolution photos without the need for long exposure. This is a feature that Apple has still not perfected yet. The Pi model comes with 4 lenses. You can use one lens to take photos while the other lens captures video. Battery strength and charging. The iPhone charges wirelessly or through a port. The smartphone has had some bad reviews concerning how the battery lasts after a full battery charge. In the Pi model, wireless charging for the gadget has not been fully confirmed, although it would be unexpected if this feature is not included. But the phone will certainly come with integrated solar panels so that you can charge it with solar energy on the move. Launch dates. Apple's iPhone has been around for quite a while, and Apple hasn't been tired of releasing new models every year. However, we are still expecting Tesla's Pi model, as Tesla has yet to finalize the features and refine the technology. But according to rumors, it may be available soon.